20 English slang words. Flex, meaning show off. He likes to flex his new shoes. She flexed her painting skills online. Glow up, meaning big personal improvement. She had a glow up over the summer. Look at his glow up. He looks amazing. Lit, meaning exciting or fun. The concert was lit last night. This party is really lit. Ghost, meaning stop talking to someone suddenly. He ghosted me after our date. Don't ghost your friends. Slay, meaning do something really well. She slayed her presentation today. He slays every football game. No cap, meaning honestly, no lie. No cap, this is the best pizza I've had. I love this song, No Cap. Bussin', meaning really good. This burger is bussin', so tasty. The cake is bussin', try it. Sus, meaning suspicious or shady. He's acting sus about the money. That story sounds sus to me. Tea, meaning gossip or news. Spill the tea. What happened yesterday? I have some hot tea for you. Femme, meaning close friends or people like family. I'm going out with my PMF tonight. Thanks for helping me, fam. Aura, meaning the energy or vibe someone gives off. She has a calm aura. He gives a happy aura. Bet, meaning agree or okay. You'll help me later? Bet. We meet at 7? The bet? Woke, meaning socially aware. She's woke about climate change. He stays woke on social issues. Shook, meaning shocked or surprised. I was shook when I saw the results. She looked shook after the news. Vibe, meaning mood or atmosphere. This cafe has a nice vibe. I like the vibe of this song. Goat, meaning greatest of all time. Serena Williams is the GOAT in tennis. This movie is the GOAT of all comedies. Low-key, meaning quietly or secretly. I low-key want to eat ice cream now. She's low-key nervous about the test. Hikey, meaning openly or obviously. I'm hiking excited for the weekend. He hikey loves that show. Clap back, meaning respond sharply to criticism. She clapped back at the comment quickly. He knows how to clap back when needed. Throw shade. Mine subtly insults someone. He threw shade at his colleague's idea. She throws shade without anyone noticing.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.